If you're experiencing issues with your AT&T payment not going through, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your credit or debit card is not expired and that your bank account is in good standing. Step 2. Review account information. Log into your AT&T account and confirm that all your account information is correct. Check for any discrepancies in your billing address or payment details that may cause the transaction to fail. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you're making the payment online, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated information can interfere with the payment process. After clearing, try making the payment again. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the initial payment method fails, consider using an alternative payment method. This could be a different credit card, debit card, or even a payment app if AT&T supports it. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payment issues with AT&T. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.